Hello, in this video we're gonna check if HUAWEI Mate 50 Pro has a dual SIM slot. So first let's locate the slot, and on this device it's on the bottom right here. I have a cover on the phone, so we'll need to remove it. Then take the needle, stick it in the gap right here. Don't mistake it for this one. It should open the slot, we can remove it, and here's a number 1, and on the other side there's number 2. So that confirms it, this device has a dual SIM slot. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.